Welcome everybody. In this video I'd like to show you how you can create, how you can add, how you can record bill that you have received from your vendor inside the QBO. So all you need is to just go to this plus button and under vendors you just click on bill. In the bill window you can add your vendor. Let's say our vendor is Safecool, and here you can adjust your vendor's address and payments term. Let's say our payments term is due on shipped, and QuickBooks will automatically adjust your date. And here you can add your invoice number. Let's say your invoice number is 123. In the category detail you can add your purchasing category. Let's say your purchasing category is furniture, and in the description you just type your type of category. Let's say we buy some furniture from a vendor and the quantity of that furniture is 170, and in the item detail you can add your item one by one. And let's say we buy a cover pipe quantity of 2, so the total amount of 120 into 2 is equal to 40, and if we calculate 240 in plus 170, it's gonna be 410. And if you have any message that you wanna display on credit memo, then you can write those messages from here. And if you have some special note, some special receipt, some special document that you wanna link with this bill, then you can attach those attachments from here. So once everything is done, you just click on save and new, and that's how you can record a bill that you have received from your vendor. To see the bill of your vendor, you just, if you go back to the sales modules, in the sales module you click on vendor, and this is your vendor and this is the total balance of your vendor. If you click on that, it will show you the full detail of your vendor. This is the bill of Safecool, and the total amount that we paid for that bill is 410. That's how you can record a bill inside the QBO. So I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. Take care of yourself. I'll be seeing you in the next video. For now, bye bye.